Hey everyone, welcome back to Pine Hollow out of Diagnostics. We're at a local shop looking at a fine Chrysler product, 2017 Pacifica with 87,000 miles on it. A little bit of a history with this one. Initially came in with a hard misfire. Technician found a bad ignition coil, replaced it, was fine for 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, came in with another misfire on a different cylinder. Again, another ignition coil. So it was cylinder number, I think 4, and then cylinder number 3. So, okay, and the technician said, well, we could replace all 6 if you don't want to come back every month. So they replaced all spark plugs, all ignition coils. Took it on a test drive, seemed to be fine. However, he said on a cold start it was shaking a bit, and the check engine light did come back on with a cylinder 3 misfire. Also on the test drive, the engine temperature shot up and then came back down. That's not good. He checked the coolant level, the bottle was empty. Filled it up with coolant, and this is 2 weeks ago. And he came in again, the bottle was empty again. And this misfire happens usually on a cold start. Guys, this is classic symptoms of a blown head gasket. As the vehicle sits after a shutdown, the cooling system's pressurized, some coolant leaks into cylinder number 3, and, well, next time you start it, coolant doesn't burn very well, so you get a misfire. Then, once that burns off, it seems to run pretty good. So it's eating coolant. It has a partial misfire in cylinder 3, especially on a cold start. What is there to diagnose? How do we want to 100% prove this? Well, we can warm it up so the cooling system is pressurized, and then pop out number 3 spark plug and see if there's coolant dripping with a Borescope. That's my favorite test. We could pop out 2 coils and see if the spark plugs are different colors, or if the pistons, if this one's been steam cleaned. But not looking good for this Pentastar. So in OBD2 mode, I want to verify when did this code set? What was the engine temperature? So P0303 and 84 degrees, so it was a cold engine. There might even be a data pit for runtime. Time since engine start, 0 seconds. So precisely on a cold start. It was an open loop. It didn't even warm up the oxygen sensors. It was shaking pretty bad. Well, let's see how it runs. We'll just put it in gear. I don't feel any shaking right now, but when I started it a few minutes ago, it wasn't happy. It was So, in this case, I would keep driving it and topping off the coolant. Otherwise, it'd need a head gasket. Let me run it for a few minutes. We'll pop out that spark plug. We're not going to find anything on a compression test because it runs smoothly. So the compression's fine. But I think some coolant is getting to the cylinder when it sits. And depending on how fast it's dripping in, we may or may not see it on the Borescope. Alright guys, does that piston look steam clean to you? It does to me. Well, let's turn on the side view camera on the TESLONG. Oh, there it is. There it is. We see drips. Let's squeeze the radiator hose. We're done. Head gasket time for this Pentastar.